If you're a business leader and you're getting some of your team to be vibe coding, that is generating software using AI. Today, there's been this vulnerability in Next.js and React. These are quite serious vulnerabilities. And I thought, well, I'll have a look at my Secure My Emails tool because that was vibe coded. If you've not checked it out, do it. It gives you a score from 1 to 100 of how secure your email is. But it was quite interesting. So it looked through all the libraries and it said, well, rather than using the libraries on Cloudflare, which is where the website's hosted, you've hard coded some of them. We don't need to do that. We can use the Cloudflare ones. It's just making our configuration bigger. But also it found that it was using quite old versions of the libraries. And I thought that was quite interesting. In fact, my site wasn't vulnerable to the React vulnerability. It probably wouldn't be anyway, but it wasn't vulnerable because it was using an older version that didn't have that vulnerability. I'll link here to the video on the CVE scores and the CVSS scores. This is basically, we measure from 1 to 10 how risky a vulnerability is, and this one's got a 10. But the point here is that web designers, traditional web designers with lots of experience, will be recognizing these threats. Junior people designing websites, just chucking them up on the internet without any thoughts or regards to this, could be putting your business at risk. And AI will quite happily tell you it's secure when it isn't. And this month, and I've got a separate video on this, I've had 2 different web designers tell me they took cybersecurity seriously and had critical vulnerabilities on their web servers. So my advice to you as a business leader is don't take it as gospel. Have somebody that knows what they're doing, sanity check if this company is doing what they said they should be doing. And apparently having ISO 27001 and Cyber Essentials doesn't help either. So it's not easy to make these kind of decisions, but my point here is make sure you've got somebody that knows what they're doing and don't just rely on the fact that it works, because it might not, and you might have a massive GDPR fine. Hopefully not. So I hope that's helpful. If you've got any thoughts, ideas, do let me know in the comments below. It's really helpful if you comment and like and subscribe to my videos. It sends them out to more people. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day.